Welcome back students. So today in this video I'll cover your short summary of your first lesson of your footprint without feet. Okay, and the chapter name is your triumph of surgery. That means a victory of surgery. And my dear friends, this is your short summary, and that is written by James Hirett. And there are three main character in this chapter. The first one is your James Hirett, and the second one is your Tricky. Yes, my dear friends, Tricky is the name of dog, and the third one is your Mrs. Pumphrey. So these are your main character of this chapter. So let's start it from the very beginning. Welcome friends. So let's know more about the writer. So James Alfred Watt was born on 3 October 1916 and he was died on 23 February 1995. Known by the fame name James Herriot, was a British veterinary surgeon and writer who used his many years of experience as a veterinary surgeon to write a series of books, each consisting of a story about animals and their owners. He is best known for these semi-autobiographical works, beginning with If Only They Could Talk in 1920, which spawned a series of movies and television series also. So let's move on into the next phase. Welcome back students. So let's start it from the very beginning. So as you know very well, Mrs. Pumphrey is a rich lady takes her dog out for a walk. A nearby veterinary doctor who knows the lady sees the dog and he is shocked as he sees that the dog looks like a bloated sausage with a leg at each end. He advises her to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat, but Mrs. Pumphrey is not able to refuse him. Soon he falls sick and the doctor is called. The narrator, Mr. Harriet, then somehow takes Tricky the dog to the hospitals even though he knows that the Mrs. Pumphrey is not ready to leave her dog and really fainted just by hearing these words. Then he takes the dog alone and puts a bed for him in his surgery. The dog doesn't move much nor eats anything for the first 2 days. On the second day, he looks around and whimpers a bit. He wanted to go out on the third day and started playing with the biggest dogs when he was taken out. He also licked the bowl of the other dogs clean on the third day. Then his condition started improving very fast. He started fighting for his meals with other dogs. Then when his news reached Mrs. Pumphrey, she started sending him eggs as she thought that Tricky was recovering from an illness and needed energy foods. Mr. Harriet and his partners started eating those eggs for morning breakfast. Then for improving Tricky's blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine, which was again consumed by Mr. Harriet. He used to take 2 glasses before lunch and some more glasses while having his lunch. Then when she started sending in bottles of brandy for Tricky, that was the time when Mr. Harriet thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the surgery. Mr. Harriet used to be really happy someday by having 2 extra eggs every morning, then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon and closing the day by having brandy at night. But then he took a wise decision and called up Mrs. Pumphrey as she was really worried and on the sad Tricky was ready to be taken back home. Tricky was really happy to see, yes, my dear friends, Tricky was really happy to see his mistress and jumped into the car. Mrs. Pumphrey said that she won't be able to ever thank him for what he had done, and also that his surgery had been successful as Tiki was new cute. So, my dear friends, it was your short summary, and you must read the book at your home. And after having taught, you must ask me on my personal WhatsApp number so that I can help you in this chapter. And I hope you enjoyed with me. And thank you for watching. And see you again in the next video. Till then, have a fun. Bye bye.